Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your home. Today, we're talking about the SMARTSTANDARD 6.8FT barn door hardware kit. Without a doubt, the best folding interior sliding doors that combine both style and functionality. This barn door hardware kit is designed to deliver an incredibly smooth and quiet sliding experience. If you're looking to add a rustic charm to your home while saving space, this kit is the ideal choice for you. Made from high-quality alloy metal with a matte black finish, it's both durable and resistant to dust, rust, and water. The robust construction ensures long-term performance, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Installation is a breeze with the step-by-step guide included in the package. You won't have to hire a carpenter, as the instructions are easy to follow, making it a DIY-friendly option for anyone looking to upgrade their space. Plus, you'll get all the necessary components, including 2 door stoppers and a floor guide to keep the door secure and stable. This kit supports doors weighing up to 220 pounds, making it versatile for a variety of door thicknesses, ranging from 1 3/8 to 1 3/4. It's designed to accommodate doors up to 40 inches wide, which should be at least 2 inches wider than the opening to ensure proper coverage. If you're working with a door that's thicker than the standard range, don't worry. The kit offers solutions for that as well. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic of your home, but it also saves you valuable space. Traditional doors swing open and require a large clearance, but with this sliding barn door system, you free up that area for additional storage or more flexible room layouts. It's perfect for small spaces or homes that need to optimize every inch. If you're ready to bring a stylish and functional sliding door into your home, the SMARTSTANDARD 6.8FT barn door hardware kit is the way to go. Whether you're looking to create a cozy atmosphere or save on space, this kit has everything you need. Head over to the link in the description to find out more and grab yours today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product reviews like this one.